Hello everyone, and welcome to this webinar hosted by Morse Software. My name is Peter Salakius and I'm today's presenter. The title for today is What are the essentials? How should an ALM system work? Last week I hosted a short webinar on the topic What are the essentials? What must an ALM system do for you? Today is a bit of a sequel, so we go from what to how should an ALM system work. Today's agenda, how should an ALM system work, especially at times like these, when market conditions are volatile, to say the least. There is also a regulatory response, which is rather unprecedented in regards to the challenges that financial services are experiencing. We've been guided that we can dip into both capital and liquidity buffers. We've been urged to go slow and easy on IFRS 9 provisioning. And recently, a couple of days ago, we learned that the Basel IV proposal has been deferred by 1 year. This, of course, has very big changes for everybody, and it clearly changes the risk capacity that we have at our disposal. Right. So, given these type of times, how should an ALM system work? What is our top 4 list of key factors? Because we think that these key factors will be crucial in terms of helping you monitor and manage your balance sheets accordingly. So here goes. Number 1, we think that you need transactional data. And by transactional data, we say that you need uniform data for all risk surfaces alike. You need uniform data for external and internal purposes alike. 2, one data, one truth. So going back to point number 1, we don't want to use different data for supervisory or prudential reports in terms of liquidity reporting, and then another set of data for internal liquidity MI. We want to use the same data for RWA calculations that we use for other ALM type of calculations. One data, one truth creates general understanding and clarity regarding numbers when we look at integrated numbers, and it's also clear in terms of lineage for everybody. Where does the data come from? So there's no obfuscating with the numbers there. 3, drill down functionality. This is really essential. When we look at different type of views and reports, we need the possibility to understand what's causing the changes, where are the changes come from. So we need to be able to double click on items or however your system works, but we need to be able to go down to the transactional level, even down to cash flow level to understand what's causing changes, in particular when times are as volatile as today's. 4, final, important. Again, when things are moving around, performance and timeliness is crucial. We can't depend on calculations and process times, which are hours or days or whatever. We need to be able to understand here and now what's causing changes. Now, This could look something like this. Think about your integrated dashboard. Your integrated dashboard, whether it's interest rate risk, liquidity risk, whatever, it should be based on one source, one truth. Transactional data. Say that we look at the gap type of report of this style. For whatever reason, we want to understand in the Euribor 12-month, in the 3-month bucket, why do we have this number there? We click on it, we see we have 137 legs. We start sorting them, and there we see, yes, we have a big transaction there. It's a swap that's causing a change. Or somewhere else, we look at that. Is there anything else there? A big principle, anything. This is what creates understanding about the numbers. So this is very, very vital. Let's go back to our list and go through it once more. So here's a short recap. Transactional data, uniform data for all risk surfaces, one data, one truth, drill down functionality, performance, and timeliness. So real-time capability is very important. This is the list. My name is Peter Salakius. I hope you enjoyed this. Would this pique your interest in any way? Give me a call, drop me a mail, find me on LinkedIn. It would be a pleasure to talk to you if you would find this interesting. Thank you for this, and as I said, it's been a pleasure.